Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Vijay Yadav, SAS Institute of Management Studies MMS, and my topic is Introduction of Financial Accounting. Let's start our presentation. What is financial accounting? A method to communicate financial information to interested external parties. User include capital provider, regulator, customer, supplier, employees, etc. Capital supplier include debt and equity provider. Financial accounting is used for both prediction and control. Next, accounting and bookkeeping essentials. Accounting cycles. First, analyze generalized transactions. Summarize accounting general ledger posting. Trial balance preparations. Period end adjusting entries. Associated trial balance preparations. Preparation of financial statement. Close general ledger account income expenses. Next, accounting is a more complex concept. That means reflection of the result of transaction according to the principle, standard and statutory requirement in the financial statement and other business report. Next, definition of accounting. Accounting refers to the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing the information gathering or collect in monetary terms and therefore interrupting the result to the user who are interested in such informations. Generally accepted accounting principle. Generally accepted accounting principles GAAP refer to the standard framework of guidelines FOR. Financial accounting used in any judicial son, generally known as accounting standard. GAAP includes the standards, convention and rules accountants following, recording and summarizing, and the preparation of financial statement. Let's see. Accounting is both an art and science. An art because it can be learned by practice and not by stoning to it like scientific rules. It's true. Every accountant is not shy me. Any are good and other make mistakes. Like every person not a great artist. It is science because it is based on many rules, concept and conventions and assumptions. If everything goes accordingly, your balance sheet match, trial balance match and profile may be calculated correctly. Next, even if a single accounting concept is mishandled and transaction is entered incorrectly, it brings propagation error. We need go back every step to trace it, which is very exhausting, so it has a science. It's true. If one mistake is done, all will be break. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the recording of financial transactions. Financial transactions. Transaction includes sales, purchase, income, and payment by an individual or organizations. Bookkeeping is usually performed by a bookkeeper. Bookkeeping should not be confused with accounting. Let's see. How is bookkeeping different from accounting? Next. Difference accounting via bookkeeping. Basic. Accounting and bookkeeping. Let's see. Performed by an accountant. Bookkeeping, a bookkeeper. Purpose, interrupt, prepare financial statement, etc. Record, classify, and summarize transactions. Result used by internal, management, employees, and external user, owner, creditor, bank, etc. और bookkeeping में accountants. Method used by principal applied. GAAP, IFRS, etc. और bookkeeping में single entry bookkeeping system, double entry bookkeeping system. Next. Objective of accounting. Profitability, assortment, generate information. Forecasting, financial positions. Function of accounting. Systematic record of business transactions. Protecting the property of the business. Communication of result and complaints of legal requirement. Next. In accounting, external user and internal user. External user. Leader, shareholder, government, customer group, external, auditor, customer. Internal user, let's say staff हो गया, ऑफिस, मैनेजर्स. नेक्स्ट. थैंक यू.